Leslie truly is the full package. Leslie has always carried herself with grace. Even after some of our adventurous outings, she's always put together, so well dressed, and I'm always so impressed how a petite person like her can hold so much alcohol. Seriously.
I can't even talk.
What? Don't talk, don't turn around.
You are the perfect compliment to Patrick for his 10 p.m.ness, maybe his 1 or 2 beers. You bring out the more beers. You kind of balance each other out in that aspect. And I just know that you two together are just the perfect balance for each other. Going back to, we actually first met at Outside Lands one year, which was a great time. I remember Patrick introducing me. I'm like, oh, sweet, I get to meet, he's told me so much about you, finally got to meet you. And I'm like, this is cool, like, okay, cool, new girlfriend, this is awesome. And then as the years kind of went on, I could just tell the way he talked about you, anytime he brought you up, I'm like, they're gonna get married. Like, this is happening. This is awesome. So it didn't become a question of were you guys gonna get married? It was always just when at that point. So, and then now here we are. You're both married. And I just want to say that you're two of the most amazing people I know. I look forward to a lifetime of happiness for you two. And yeah, I love you both. Just want to raise a glass to the newlyweds.